In this tutorial, we will cover how to add a step to your project. In your Ouvvi project, go to Add Step, More, and then choose your step type from the list. In this example, we will use a DataSync project step. Type in a name for the step, and then configure the step as you wish, changing the run condition and the retry count as required. And then type in a description to say what your step is doing. For this step type, you can upload a pre-configured DataSync project by choosing Choose File. Or, to create a new one, click Save, and then click Open Project to open DataSync. Configure the project as you wish. In this example, we are simply having a data generator synced to a null empty data source. Then save the project and return to Ouvvi. Now when we refresh the page, we can see the configuration details of our DataSync project. Now go back to our main Ouvvi project and click Start Project to test it will run.